Good day, friends. We are here at Mlindazwe ICBC, Pastor Pendulile's place. This man next to me is not from Mlindazwe. This is Pastor Zweletini. He's actually from Skaweni ICBC. Now that is 2.5 hours drive south. Now this here is exactly the beauty of the ICBC network. Pastor Zweletini left his church this week to come and help Pastor Pendulile at her site to finish and plaster her house inside. That is in community, by community, and the church as the body, the church as a community working together to just build God's kingdom and care for God's people. Today, friends, we are here at the Lunzi. Last time you were here, it was the first day when we handed out the preschool uniforms. And look at this. This is what it's about. This is the next generation being trained, being looked after to expand God's kingdom. Isn't it amazing? Thank you so much for your prayer and thank you so much for your support.